The last line of the letter, an emotional story of love. Riya and Ayan, both, were university classmates. They had classes together, libraries, tea shops, laughter, anger, and love, everything. However, some relationships may not be fully told. Ayan always loved Riya but never said it openly. He was afraid if he heard no, everything would be lost. And Riya, he waited every day when Ayan would say, "I can't think of anything without you." One day, Riya suddenly went abroad, pursuing a big dream. Before leaving, she wrote a letter to Ayan. Ayan didn't even read the letter when he received it, because he was afraid. What if he leaves? 5 years later, one day, Ayan suddenly opened the letter. The last line of the letter read, "If you had told me once, I would have left everything, but you kept quiet." Ayan's eyes got wet. A letter sent late never gets the same response as before.